Unless you've been living under a rock recently, you've probably heard the new Mega Live 2 is out, and it is amazing. We've been testing it all summer with our Norsk Lithium batteries, and we're happy to report our batteries work flawlessly, powering the new Humminbird XPLORE units, running a Mega Live 2 transducer. And we're super excited to get it out on the ice this year. Now, these Humminbird XPLORE units replace the Helix line of sonars that everyone has come to know and love. But the new XPLORE unit provides some major upgrades. In fact, Humminbird just won Best in Electronics category at ICAST for this product. And these new units offer some killer features that we just love, including a touchscreen display, a simplified menu, built-in LakeMaster and Coastmaster mapping, and of course, the ability to run Mega Live 2. We've tested these units mounted in the bow of the boat, as well as at the back of the boat on a shuttle. Now at the bow of the boat, we paired the 12-inch XPLORE unit with the Norsk Lithium 16-volt 135 amp-hour battery. Now we replicated the most common setup with the transducer mounted to the trolling motor. Within the line of Norsk Lithium 16-volt batteries, we have a variety of different amp hours available to fit your needs. This lineup includes the 16-volt 75, 105, and 135 amp hour. These batteries come in both heated and non-heated versions. In our line of 14.8 volt portable sonar batteries, we have a 15, 20, 30, and 50 amp hour battery. We chose to use the 14.8 volt 50 amp hour to power the 10-inch XPLORE unit mounted to the TKI Shuttle at the back of the boat. Mounting a unit like this allows us to scan the water for fish independently of the boat's position or trolling motor. These shuttles have been extremely popular for the last couple of years because they provide the ultimate all-season experience, allowing the angler to go from the boat to the ice and back again. Now let's talk about Mega Live 2. Mega Live 2 has some serious upgrades. The new Mega Live 2 has improved target separation, enhanced clarity, and a sharper image on the XPLORE units. And when powered by Norsk Lithium batteries, it will give you maximum performance, efficiency, and runtime. Now, for example, the 14.8 volt 50 amp hour battery powering the 10-inch XPLORE unit running Mega Live 2 will give you 24 hours of runtime when the screen's brightness is at 70%. Now that's power for days. So if you're looking at building an all-season shuttle or running the new Mega Live 2 in your boat, check out these battery options from Norsk Lithium.